Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a WACOM MovinkPad 11 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on backup and here tap on next. Now let's tap on Add Account, and if you've got your Google account previously added to the device, you will be able to simply choose it from the list. If not, just you have to add it right now. So make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and now you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And tap on Next. So right here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, we've got our password entered, so let's tap on Next. Right here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. You can tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. So here we can choose what kind of data we would like to backup, so photos and videos or other device data, like for example device settings, apps and apps data. It's up to you, just mark the option which you'd like to use. I'll pick this one and tap on confirm. And then tap on Manage Backup, and here we've got our backup section where we can check how much space we've got left. Just wait a second and you will get this information. We can manage the storage, so for example remove some unnecessary files. Under it we've got backup details, so we can check what has already been backed up, advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off. So to finish everything, simply tap on Backup Now, and now your device is backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.